Baby girl, you give me special type of feeling. Every time that you pull up, I am willing. The way you roll it, baby girl, I wanna see it. Baby, show me, make a feel and make it easy. Baby girl, I love the way your booty bounce. When you shake it, baby girl, I love you sharp. You got me lazy, how you roll it to the sound.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Venance, aka Miss.Cameroon. I am back with a new wig review. If you are new to my channel, please go ahead and click that subscribe button down below and join the Miss.Cameroon gang. So today I am coming here with a sexy, fiery burgundy hair. So if you guys are interested to see where I got this wig, definitely keep on watching.
All I see is signs, all I see is dollar signs.
Go food, go food. DJ As. Quand tu parles, dis le minimum. C'est pas le baratin qui fait les hommes. Vodka pomme n'a jamais changé la donne. Quand la Rolex en plus de ça t'es rap. Tu t'es cramé au fil des jours. Les cours de passe-passe, non, là ça prend.
Every season, everywhere down. The passing where the farm will play out. Let them say you get defender. Now me and you go there together. Every season, everywhere down. The passing where the farm will play out. Let them say you get defender. Excuse me, mademoiselle. So for me, power
y'all, so now that I'm done making this hair look like natural, I'm gonna come here and basically talk about it. So this wig is kind of like, it looks like a bob right now. So this wig is the Sassy H Akila from ZURY SIS. It's another red wig. You guys know I always love me some red. I think a red wig looks so good on me, so I'd never ever mind a red wig. Like, you can give me all the red wigs, I'm rock it. Okay, so this wig is a Sassy H Akila and the color is SOM RT Burgundy. And yes, so basically this wig was sent to me by ZURY SIS, and I'm gonna put all the links where you can get the wig down below. Okay, so my first impression of the wig was when I got it out of the box is that I thought the color was just popping. From looking at the picture of the girl, it doesn't look like her hair is like, you know, like a bob, like not a bob, like it looks short here and long here. This little thing right here, like this little parting, it's supposed to be all the way here on the side, but I put mine right here because if you put it right here, it's basically going to slant the hair so that it's like on the same level. But I still don't hate this at all. I love it. I definitely like that this wig came with baby hair. Like, you guys saw how I was doing my baby hair. I did not cut anything out. Like, I love when I don't have to cut. Boom, 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 boom. Another thing I loved about this wig is that I love the color. You guys know I love burgundy hair, red hair. I love it. And finally, another thing I loved about this hair is the curl pattern. It looks kind of like beachy waves, if you know what I mean, like kind of beachy waves. And the waves are not too coily. It's like kind of, it's curly, but it's not really like fully curly. The shipping is pretty fast. ZURY SIS usually ship the hair pretty fast, but you can go ahead and buy the hair from like other companies. I'm going to link all the links down below where you can go get this hair. I don't know, I don't have like anything bad to say about the hair. It's really nice. It's really nice hair. I love this. I love how like this little curl right here is. I really like how they made this. other than that, this was just a quick review of this red wig I got from ZURY SIS. If you have any more questions about this wig, just comment down below and let me know, and I'm going to go ahead and answer. Okay, thank you so much for watching. I am so happy that I am back on here for like, I was like on a roll for a little bit and then I kind of stopped, but I didn't fully stop. But I'm glad that I'm kind of back. And yes, so thank you so much for watching. Subscribe, like, share, comment, and I will see you on my next video. Bye.
No, I care, oh baby, you think I'm playing you bad or behind your back, girl? So you keep on playing me bad, girl. We can't relax, no.